Today, I'm reviewing the Nessally Cooling Ace, a portable cooling device that's been popping up all over social media. I wanted to see if it actually lives up to the hype or if it's just another overpromised gadget. So here's the deal. The Cooling Ace is marketed as a personal air cooler that you can use at your desk, in bed, or even while traveling. Setup is simple. You fill the tank with water, turn it on, and it claims to deliver instant cool air within seconds. In my testing, the cooling effect is noticeable if you're sitting right in front of it, but it's not going to replace an air conditioner. It works best in small, personal spaces, especially when the room isn't extremely hot. Battery life is decent, though not amazing, and you'll likely need to recharge it daily with regular use. Overall, it's a mixed bag. It does what it says, but with limitations. If you're expecting room-wide cooling, you'll be disappointed. But for personal comfort on a budget, it might be worth considering in my honest opinion.